So guys, welcome back to Montreal. This morning I had a meeting downtown, so it's like 8:30 right now. I'm downtown, so we're gonna do that meeting, and I'll catch you guys right after. So I'm now done with the meeting, and now I'm downtown. So I'm gonna try to grab lunch soon. I looked at the market this morning, but I don't have time now to look at all. I don't have any computer with me, so that's kind of hard. One of the toughest things about swing trading, and the fact that you don't trade for a few hours, but you trade pretty much all day, kind of. You have to look at the chart multiple times. Is that when you're away, there's no way for you to look at the chart. And that might be tricky sometimes. So yes, you can trade on your phone, and you can look at the chart on your phone, but I don't really like it. It's kind of hard for me to understand where the price is at compared to the zone I look for, and so that's kind of a mess sometimes. And the same thing applies when you travel, so you have to kind of go back on higher time frame. I think that's the easiest way I've found to still trade, but don't have to worry about looking at the chart too often in the day. And we are in Chinatown. Good food options here. Okay, now lunch is done, so time to get back and do a little bit of work. So I got back this afternoon. Now it's already nighttime. But as soon as I turned my computer on, I saw that I had a trade set up right there on the 1 hour chart at the zone I've identified this morning on AUD CAD. Price was at 0.97, which is the support zone. Had the perfect setup, and it's been a very short trade. I want to show you guys on the chart what that looks like, so let's get right to it. So AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. We are on the daily chart right now, and I've identified the zones before. One of the main zones we're at right now is this zone right here, 0.97. Might be clearer on the daily chart that we've been bouncing recently off that zone. And that's exactly where I'm looking to trade. Although we are at the very beginning of the zone, okay? We could go further, and that's totally alright, that's totally possible. But what we're interested to see now are setups at this level. I went in the forward chart, back when I got home on the 1 hour chart, and exactly when I got back, that was at 2 or 2:30 p.m. And I opened my computer, price was a little bit above this candlestick right here. And that's the setup I had. So break outside the Bollinger Band, strong engulfing candle, and I entered above the high, stop loss right below the low, and I got stopped out a few hours after. Is it a bad trade? No. Is it a losing trade? For sure. But it's been a trade like all the other trades. And I just want to share it here with you guys, not to complain, but only to show you that these trades are half winners, half losers. Like that's pretty much the thing right now, 50% win rate that I see. And that's part of the process. So if you get mad at this trade or at any losing trade, there's a problem somewhere. And there's something you're doing wrong. So that's it. Literally 4 hours after I entered the trade got stopped out. And that's fine. That's part of the process. I just want to share the trade with you guys as I promised. And that's my commitment. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. I think I'll go do something more fun. Been working on a few different things. Still the same project for the Academy that I'm working on right now. And if you guys like the video today, please give it a like. If you have any question you want me to cover, comment below with those. I want to answer them as soon as possible to help you guys get your best whenever you trade. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. We have some amazing things coming up as always. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.